2021. Uh, it is for class 9 social science history part, some short answer type question from chapter 4 history social science. Man and Man Raja, two terms are there. Explain the terms Man and Man Raja. The people of Assam during the Burmese occupation called the Burmese Man, and the king of they addressed the king of Burma as Man Raja. This is the history behind. What was the earlier name of Tinsukia? It is very easy. The earlier name of Tinsukia was Bengmara. Next, who was Rangili? Rangili was an Ahom girl who was given to Bichanong by Purnananda Burhagohai. Bichanong was the chief of the Singh force, and this girl was given to the Burmese king Bodaupaya. This is the history about, and Rangili finally became one of the Assamese queen of the Burmese king. This is about Rangili. What is Dandua Droh? Dandua Droh. If one short note, then some lines you have to write. The first line. This is the name of the revolt started by Hara Datta and Bira Datta Chaudhary when Bhajan Chand Barphukan was the when Badan Chandra was the Barphukan of Guwahati, Dandua Droh, and this Dandua Droh was suppressed by Kalia Bhomora. When Badan Chandra failed to suppress this Dandua Droh, the revolt of Hara Datta and Bira Datta Chaudhary, Purnananda Burhagohai replaced Badan Chandra Barphukan by Kalia Bhomora, and Kalia Bhomora suppressed this revolt. Next is what is the history behind Kalia Bhomora bridge at Sealghat over Brahmaputra? Over the Brahmaputra river. Then Kalia Bhomora, as in previous answer I have told, became the Barphukan and suppressed the revolt Dandua Droh started by Haradatta and Biradatta Chaudhary in Guwahati. He died, but he has a dream to construct a bridge on the Brahmaputra river at Sealghat. He could not realize his dream. He died, and in 1987 his dream was realized. 113 3 kilometer long bridge was constructed on the Brahmaputra river in 1987. Thank you. Next is during whose reign Satram Chiringia Phukan revolted. Satram Chiringia Phukan revolted during the reign of Chandrakanta Sinha, and Panimua, one name of one person, Panimua revolted during the reign of Kamleshwar Sinha, who were Oreshnath and Piju Gabharu. Oreshnath was the son of Purnananda Burhagohai, and Piju Gabharu was the daughter of Badan Chand Barphukan. Badan Chand Barphukan and Purnananda Burhagohai, to improve their relation, the marriage of Oreshnath and agreed to marry Oreshnath and Piju Gabhari. And this way Pijo Gabharu and Oreshnath were married, and to some extent their relation improved. The relation between Badan Chand and Purnananda Burhagohai improved. Which Burmese king captured Arakan and when? Bodaupaya captured Arakan in 1874. Bodaupaya it is. Next is who were the two sides in the battle of Giladhari. The two sides in the battle of Giladhari were the Burmese soldiers under Badan Chand Barphukan. The commander was Badan Chand Barphukan, and the Ahom soldiers sent by Purnananda Burhagohai and under the command of Daman Gogoi and Howboda. But this battle was lost by the Ahoms. and Burmese won the battle. When and how did Purnananda die? When Purnananda heard the news of defeat of the battle of Ghiladhari, when he heard that the Ahom soldiers had been defeated, he died. The news of this defeat killed him. It was like a dagger to his heart. He died. Next is, who was Numali Rajmao? Who was Numali Rajmao? Numali Rajmao was the mother of Chandrakanta Sinha. When Badan Chand Barphukan won the battle of Giladhari, he also defeated the Ahom soldiers in Kathalguri. Uh, then he entered Jorhat, and he was given a warm welcome by Numali Rajmao. But when and she made her Mantri Barphukan. But later she disliked him and formed a conspiracy, and he was assassinated by Numali Rajmao's conspiracy and assassinated by Rup Singh in 17 sorry in next is, how was Badan Chandra assassinated? Badan Chand became the Mantri Barphukan. He started you see punishing the supporters of Purnananda Burhagwai, who was no more, who had died after the battle of Giladhari, and his steps, his administration was disliked by Chandrakanta Sinha. Numali Rajmao didn't like him. Therefore, Numali Rajmao hazed a conspiracy against him, and he was killed by a Subedar Rup Singh. And this way he was killed. Badan Chand Barphukan was assassinated. How are you associated with the battle of Mahagarh and Hadira Chowki? When the Burmese occupied Assam, Chandrakanta Sinha fled to the British territory in Bengal to save himself. Purandar Sinha also went there to save himself. Both the king separately requested the British authority to help them for the evacuation of the Burmese, but the British did not do anything. Later, Chandrakanta Sinha, with the help of mercenaries, soldiers of Bengal, wanted to free Assam from the occupation of the Burmese, and therefore he fought with the help of mercenary soldiers of Bengal at Mahagarh, and initially he was succeeded, but he was defeated. Again he continued his fighting in the battle at Hadira Chowk, but in that battle also he got defeat. And this was the battle of Mahagarh was the last effort of any Ahom king to fight for the independence of the Ahom kingdom. This is the importance of these battles. Who was who was Patal Barbarua? Patal Barbarua was you see Patal was the son of Badan Chand Barphukan. After his death, when Chandrakanta Sinha became the Ahom king, Patal Barbarua was given the post of Barbarua, and Chandrakanta Sinha sent him to supervise the construction of a fort to block the Burmese inroad to Assam. And it was at Jaipur. He was doing the same. The Burmese king Bagidao sent his, heard this news that the Ahom king was trying to block the inroad of the Burmese soldiers to Assam by constructing a fort at Jaipur. Therefore, he sent his, General Mingi Mahatilwa there at Jaipur. When Tilwa came, he saw the construction work of the fort was going on. He got angry. He killed Badan Chand Barphukan and tortured the Ahom army. Later, this way, the Ahom army fled away from the site, and Chandrakanta Sinha, saving his life, fled to Guwahati. And later, he fled to the British territory to save his life. Name the two Aham prince and the two Aham name the two Aham prince who took shelter in Bengal in the British territory during the Burmese occupation of Assam. These two Aham prince were, but you see Purnananda no, Purandar Sinha and Chandrakanta Sinha. So these are the answer from chapter 4 history social science Seva class 9. Thank you. I think you will like this video, and if you watch this video on YouTube, please be my subscriber, like and comment. If you have any queries, you write in the comment box. I will try to satisfy you. If you watch it on Facebook, please like the video and follow me on the Facebook. Thank you.